Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
With your lightweight but luxury
recliner, a camp chair. Well, we did. Made with 3 reclined positions, adjustable armrests, and dual beverage holders, there's no better way to lounge with a beer than the Deluxe Lounge Chair. A sturdy, powder-coated steel frame stands up to any campsite shenanigans, while durable fabrics and quilted backrests means comfort that lasts as long as you do, and then some. 3 reclining positions to keep it interesting. Adjustable armrests and dual beverage holders allow you to find the perfect angle to enjoy a cold one. Use the included carry wrap to haul stuff around the campsite. It even doubles as a dog bed. Not that he'll need it. And when it's time to roll out, it all rolls up in a matter of seconds. The Deluxe Lounge.
Having a lightweight and compact chair makes life a little easier. Cascade Mountain Tech's ultralight packable chair and ultralight packable high back chair are 2 lightweight, compact, and supportive seats for any adventure seeker. Both chairs are designed with an aluminum shock cord pole structure that makes for a quick and hassle-free setup. Once the frame is fully assembled, slide the upper portion of the seat on first, and then gently pull the lower section over the poles on the bottom of the frame until they fit into their slots. Comprised of breathable mesh and durable 600 denier polyester, our ultralight packable chairs offer cooling comfort at a great value. The high back chair offers an extended back section with a detachable headrest for even greater support. Designed with an ultralight construction, our low-rise chair weighs a total of 2.5 pounds, and the high back model weighs in at just under 4 pounds. Both chairs are durable enough to support up to 250 pounds.
Dynamically suspended, this recliner swings fluidly like a hammock, offering you a relaxing sitting experience around the campfire under the stars. Re-engineered for even more stability and relaxation, this luxury recliner provides a lower center of gravity and extended fit range. After a long day on the trail, there's no better feeling than kicking back in the ultimate camp recliner. Walking down to the lake or an empty spot at the beach is a breeze with Stargaze's easy-to-carry, compact, and comfortable tote. And its intuitive 3-step setup takes less than a minute, so you can spend more time relaxing. Lines marked on poles and color-coded ferrules ensure a proper and secure setup. Stargaze's non-absorbent monofilament mesh is cool and breezy, it's strong enough to withstand years of sun exposure and conforms perfectly to cradle your body. By simply shifting your weight, Stargaze auto-reclines with just the right amount of resistance to land in your perfect sitting angle, while an adjustable, padded headrest adds next-level comfort. The aircraft-grade aluminum suspension frame with custom-engineered hubs is the sturdiest camp chair support system out there. Stargaze sits close to the ground, offering unmatched stability and allowing you to swing smoothly on any surface, from sandy beaches to rocky, uneven terrain. An integrated no-spill cup holder keeps your beverages close at hand, and a perfectly sized stash pocket holds your phone or a favorite book. Stargaze packs up easily and includes a padded carrying case for snag-free, lightweight portability. Whether you're sitting around the campfire, at the beach, tailgating, watching your kids
Built
soccer
for
game-
two with adjustable arms and dual beverage holders, this chair is the outdoor cuddle puddle. A sturdy, powder-coated steel frame stands up to any campsite shenanigans, while durable fabrics and quilted backrests means comfort that lasts as long as you do, and then some. Adjustable armrests means you'll always find just the right angle for camp chillin'. Of course, we wouldn't want to leave your bevies out in the cold. Each adjustable armrest has an oversized insulated beverage holder, ready to receive everything from your favorite cold one to extra large water bottles and beyond. Use the included carry wrap to haul stuff around the campsite. It even doubles as a dog bed. Not that he'll need it. And when it's time to roll out, it all rolls up in a matter of
This is
seconds.
Moonlight, the latest addition to our reclining camp chair collection. Sublimely comfortable, easy to set up, and barely noticeable in your pack, Moonlight is the go-to chair for every adventure, from picnics in the park to backpacking in the mountains. Moonlight's comfort starts with a custom-engineered asymmetrical mesh cut for a seamless single-panel construction that stretches on the bias to accommodate and support a variety of body types. An ultralight and ultra-stable frame built on premium forged aluminum hubs and oversized aluminum poles offers a durable yet refined aesthetic. Well-fitting, high-quality hardware builds confidence, and a strategic mix of round and oval poles offer just the right blend of rigidity and flexibility you need for rock-solid ultralight support. Toss a neatly packed Moonlight into your beach tote or backpack and take the ultimate in ultralight, portable, reclining comfort anywhere your adventure takes you. An intuitive design with shock cord throughout the frame and easy snap ball and socket connectors makes assembly a breeze, so you can spend more time relaxing. Legs extend out for a wide base and are equipped with two types of feet for the ultimate in stability, no matter the terrain. With a lower center of gravity and extended fit range, there's no better feeling than confidently kicking back to relax after a long day on the trail. Grab the custom buckles to activate the unique reclining system for a multi-position sitting experience, allowing you to effortlessly sit up when you need to and lean back when you want to gaze up at the stars while sitting around the campfire. Moonlight's infinity pool-like edge binding is soft and smooth on the skin, and the ball and socket panels at the connection points rotate with your legs to avoid annoying pressure points. In keeping with our commitment to design sustainable products, Moonlight's mesh seat, edge binding, and webbing are made from 100% post-consumer recycled materials. Additionally, the mesh and zinc recliner hardware are Blue Sign certified. Take Moonlight wherever you go, from the backcountry to the beach, and experience what it's like to be on the moon, both in its packed weight and the weightlessness you'll feel as you lean back.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.